What causes whipped frosting to become runny, and how can I prevent it?
Hello there, baking enthusiasts. Today we're addressing a common baking mishap that can be frustrating for anyone who's ever made a homemade cake: runny whipped frosting. We'll explore why this happens and share some practical solutions to help you prevent this from occurring.
What causes whipped frosting to become runny?
Let's start with the basics. There are several factors that can cause your whipped frosting to become runny. The main ones include: 1. Incorrect ingredient ratios. This is often the most common cause. Using too much milk, cream, or other liquids in relation to the amount of sugar can result in a frosting that's too thin. 2. Overbeating the frosting. If you beat your frosting for too long, it can become overheated and begin to melt. This is especially the case with butter-based frostings. 3. Warm temperatures. If your kitchen is hot, or your frosting ingredients are not at the correct temperature, your frosting may become too soft or runny.
How can I prevent my whipped frosting from becoming runny?
Now that we know what causes runny frosting, let's talk about some strategies to prevent it. 1. Follow the recipe. It's crucial to maintain the right ratio of dry to wet ingredients. When adding liquids, do so gradually to avoid making the mixture too wet. 2. Keep it cool. Try to use ingredients that are at room temperature and avoid overbeating. If you're using butter, make sure it's softened but still cool. Keep your kitchen as cool as possible. 3. Save it with more powdered sugar. If you followed the recipe and kept everything cool but your frosting is still runny, try adding more powdered sugar. This can often help thicken up the frosting. 4. Chill it. If your frosting is looking a bit too soft or runny, don't panic. Just put it in the refrigerator for a little while. As it cools, it should thicken up. There you have it. Now you're equipped with the knowledge and tools to prevent runny whipped frosting. Remember, baking is as much science as it is art. So keep experimenting and learning. Happy baking!